Hey guys, just a little teaser video here for you on what we're going to go over on the third video. I went ahead and wrote this out. See if I get some better lighting there. You know what that? You should know what that means by now. What's FR and how we got that number. I was able to split up our CFMs. Now, your room by room load calcs will tell you what your CFMs are going to be, but for the sake of this video, you know, large rooms I did 125, small rooms I did 50 CFM, just to distribute the 1200 CFMs that we're going to need for this system. And that's what this is, 1200 CFMs. I'm just going over it real quick, guys, just a quick little preview of, I'll get into it in depth tomorrow. And then I put all the sizes of the ducts, what the ducts need to be, what our trunk line needs to be, where it needs to reduce at. Yeah, and then we can also size our outlets too, which I'll put on there. Typically you want to go on an 8-inch run, you want to go 4x14, 7-inch you'd go 4x12, and on a 6-inch you'd go 4x10. And then we got our return there. I put some sizes there. I'm going to show you guys how I came up with all this though. And this is all based off the previous two videos. We all started from a heat loss gain analysis, determine what CFMs we needed into each space, and then we did the math to figure out what our friction loss is going to be on our ductulator, and that helps us design all of this properly. Everything gets a damper, of course, so you can dial it in to its proper CFM needed. And yeah, we'll get more in depth with it tomorrow. I'll show you in the book how I came to this conclusion. And yeah, I just wanted to do this real quick and show you guys what we're going to do on the next video.